best music. Another one, yeah. DJ Khaled.
Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a...
Bitch. Corvette, hop in a motherfucking jet like jet. Him and that like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you talk like that? Why you all like that? It's Lil Uzi Vert. I'm off at Eddie, I'm up. I don't got no time to relax. I turn a 2 to a 4, then I turn a 5 to a stack. I was just down in the bottom, talking them back of the back. I got this shit out the mud, but they don't wanna talk about that. Keep it a stack. Know that we Xing you out if you be moving too fast, and that's a fact. Niggas keep talking about looking for me, but them niggas capping, they know where I'm at. If I ain't on Norris, then I'm on the V. 11 to word to be exact. If I ain't on Norris, then I'm on the V. 11 to word to be exact.
Very good. Thank you very much, guys.
Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Hey, shorty with the long text, I don't talk. Ay, shorty with the...
Get it, baby. Can't wait to trash in this thing. Dude, look at the details. Come in here, get in here. Look at this. Look at all this curve. Everything tucked in. Come right here, this door gem. Is this a wrap? Is this paint? You tell me. Look at that. I fucking love it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jesse, killed it, brother. This is one of the first ones. We got a lot more going on. Check them out. Hit them up. Stickers, wrap, anything you want. They got it, baby. And we're about to have it on our website too. So stay tuned.
Take as many charges as it needs to, my girl. That shit platinum just like all of my releases, my girl. Niggas come for me, I tear them all to pieces, my girl. I'ma show your sexy ass what relief is, my girl. Please don't take no shit that's about to have you geeking. And I'm not driving nothing that I gotta stick the keys in. Wonder how I got this way, I swear I got the... Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop